Hi, I'm Iodine. I'm 11 this year. Welcome to my Blender presentation. If you do not already know what Blender is, now you're going to learn. Blender is a software that can allow us to create 3D models that can be used for animations and 3D printing. It is also free. It can be used for motion graphics, interactive 3D applications, virtual reality, and games. This is how I came up with my ice cream design. So firstly, we were actually required to search up on the internet about inspirations and ideas about how ice cream is going to look like. Then I came across this sundae cup thing. Then I immediately wanted to do a sundae design. Here is the rendering process. Rendering took forever, but teacher Gordon showed me a shortcut. Instead of rendering bit by bit, he showed me how to render all the things at once. Now you will see the end product. Haha, side. After I'm done with this, then you see the end product. In the future, I think I will suddenly be able to be a 3D animator. I think in the future we'll be able to 3D print anything in the world by creating in Blender first. Not a video time, but the video doesn't work so. Crack open models on and on and on and on.